Do you have a Kohler 7000 series V-Twin engine and the valve covers are leaking and making an awful mess? Here's a cheap, easy, and quick fix. Stay tuned. So all of these Kohler 7000 series and the older Kohler Courage V-Twin series engines have these stamped valve covers. So sometime maybe between 2015 and 2020 they moved to plastic valve covers with O-rings instead of these stamped metal valve covers with silicone gasket maker that just gets baked by the exhaust and then leaks. So you can see the big mess that's making just from that valve cover. So here's the fix right here. Kohler or Relco 32755 49-S. It's a valve cover retrofit kit. Includes the bolts, includes the fuel pump pulse hose right there, includes the two valve covers and the two O-rings. Now I believe these are the same valve covers that are used on the Courage 7000 and Command, but double check your specific engine to be sure. So you can see they'll just go right on like that, and then we won't have any more leaking issues. This kit goes for somewhere around $20 to $30, so it's relatively cheap. Then you'll just remove the stamped valve covers. Might want to go ahead and adjust the valve lash while you're in there. Clean off all the old gasket maker. Put the O-ring into the groove of the new valve covers and install them and torque them down to 80 inch-pounds. Now if your engine has exhaust pipes that run really close underneath the valve covers, then they want you to take these metal plates down here and remove the two throttle control bracket bolts on each side, and then put this plate right in there, sandwiched between the throttle control bracket and the block, and then put those screws back in, those two screws. And then you torque those bracket screws to 65 inch-pounds. That will just act as a shield to keep the heat away from the valve cover. So just thought I'd share that quick tip to get rid of the oil leak on your Kohler 7000 or Courage V-Twin engines. Thanks for watching.